Yes, good morning. My name is Dennis, this is Go4, and today let's go to the beach. I'm here at Patong Beach in Phuket, Thailand, and this is just phenomenal. It's still on a more quiet side here, which is more to my liking than how Phil it was usual. Just a bit more peaceful than usual. Like last time I was here, that was maybe a few months before COVID, and it was always packed, and there were just, for my liking, there were just too many people. Not the entire beach is filled with like beach chairs and that kind of stuff. It's peaceful. This is a beach I would stay at. Usually this is the one I would skip. Well, let's check around the beach for a bit. So, just sat down for a bit, had a drink, took a dip into the sea, and now, well, had to get a picture on the swing. Just because, just for shits and giggles. Well, anyway, I'll have to find me some food. What is it, chicken?
Yeah. Pork, chicken.
I have one with chicken.
One, no?
Yeah.
What chili? Oh, okay, very good.
How much is that?
50 baht.
50?
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
I think she ripped me off. That was not worth 50 baht. I expected it to be like 20 or something. Shit. Should have asked how much it was. Too bad. Well, I walked into some random street around here, and I found me some random food stall. So, I don't think it has a name, but she took me up an alleyway, and now I'm here sitting waiting for my food. I love eating in places like this. It always feels like the food has just that tiny bit more taste to it. I can smell it already. Like, it's getting me very impatient. Okay, didn't expect to get a bowl, but this looks good. Looks good. I hope it tastes good too. Holy shit, this is thick. That's hot, but it's very good. Shit. Man, this really is delicious. There's a thick, gooey taste to it. Delicious. Thick and gooey. I love these noodles. These thick, wide noodles. So, that was a very nice fried noodle with chicken. Very nice. Now I'm just gonna head back to my hotel. Maybe dump my ass in the pool for a bit.